Here we have a DMA-06 system which is connected to this monitor. It could be also a widescreen television. And we have two active speakers connected to the DMA-06. For controlling we can use wireless keyboards like this model, or if you like a smaller one like this. And now I think it's time to switch on to boot the system. The system is now booting the Windows 8.1 operating system. And is now ready for entertainment. This is a DMA-06 system which is prepared for a customer which wants to use Apple iTunes as a music playback software. So during the system boot, Apple iTunes and all necessary services are automatically started, and the system is also available as an AirPlay rendering device in the network. So we can go now, for example, to the desktop, and you will see the system automatically booted the iTunes, and we can play back the music from Apple iTunes. That we don't need to control the Apple iTunes with mouse and keyboard, we can also use an Apple iPad with the remote application. So we have the complete control about all the music library, so I can start music now from the remote app. The same iTunes library can be also controlled by a Windows phone. So I have access to the iTunes, I go to my library and I control all functions even from a Windows phone. Because the iTunes and the AirPlay services are started up automatically in the background, you don't need to switch on a television to control the system. And you have comfortable control by the remote application for the Apple iTunes. Of course, you can also use, for example, a list of web radios worldwide available.
It almost seemed untrue. You promised that you'd always be with me, and I promised you.
To reach highest possible quality in iTunes, go to the AirPlay volume control and make sure that the My Computer is set to 0. You will find a volume control for DMA-06, so please use that one for your system control. DMA-06 is also available by any other iDevice in your house or any other iTunes. Because not everybody likes Apple iTunes, we can change the system configuration to any other audio application. So here I show you an example. When I execute now the DMA audio mode, the system boots up instead of Apple iTunes, Foobar 2000. DMA-06 is an open system, so you can install any kind of audio application. If necessary, we can assist you by remote support via internet, which is very cost efficient.